welcome back to Ballards by Design. Y'all, I have been on this biscuit kick. Homemade biscuits are so easy to do and they taste so much better than the store-bought. So today, y'all, it's a treat for y'all today, okay? I am making blueberry biscuits with a nice lemon glaze on top, y'all. So let me show you my ingredients. Y'all ready to make them? Sure you are. Come on. I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? All right. Let's get started. Okay, so I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I was just going to go ahead and sift this into my bowl. Okay. Now, I also have my wild blueberries, and I have dusted them with flour. Okay. I have 1 stick of salted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then of course our buttermilk. Okay, I'm gonna use about a cup, maybe 1 1/4 cup. Okay, all right, y'all, let's get with it. Okay, so first I'm just gonna go ahead and get my flour sifted into my mixing bowl. All right, then I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of sugar, and now I am going to grate my butter. You need really cold butter or frozen, okay? I'm just going to use my little grater here and grate my butter into my flour. And you want to make sure that your ingredients are really cold, okay? All right, y'all, so once that's done, you want to go ahead and mix your butter into your flour. You want all of your butter to get well coated in your flour. Once you get your butter well coated, your mixture is going to look crumbly like mine does in my bowl. So now I'm adding my cold buttermilk. And you guys, the reason I keep saying cold ingredients like your butter and your buttermilk is because, first of all, it's easier to work with the dough. But secondly, is because while your biscuits are baking, if you start and they're cold or cool and you put them into that hot oven, it's going to create a steam which is going to go through those layers. That's going to be perfect for a nice soft texture in your biscuits, you guys, okay? Now, I didn't have quite enough of buttermilk, so I added about another 1/4 of a cup because I want my dough nice and sticky before I get ready to roll it out on my countertop, okay? And so now I'm just mixing it with my hands because the spatula just wasn't getting the ingredients incorporated like I wanted to. As you can see, it's very sticky, guys, but this is how your dough will look, okay? Okay, y'all, I don't think I mentioned my oven is preheated to 450 degrees, and this is gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So I wanted to throw that in there. Now we can keep on going, making the biscuits. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some flour down on my countertop. My countertop is clean. All right, I did clean it off really well. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our biscuit dough right on top. Okay. And then you want to put some more flour right on top of your dough because, like I said, it is very sticky. Doesn't take much, y'all, just a little bit. Okay. We're gonna flatten our dough out. And here we're gonna add our first layer of blueberries. And I did dust these again with flour. And these are not as big as the blueberries, of course, that you get in the store, because these are wild blueberries. Okay, and my dough is still a bit sticky, so I'm going to put a little bit more flour on top. Oh. Okay. And I'm going to add the rest of these. So that was a cup. You can use fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries, whatever you got. And you know what else will be good? Strawberries. Some chopped up strawberries will be good too for strawberry biscuits. Okay. And we're just gonna keep going, folding this so that we can get those good layers in the middle, okay? Okay, so you wanna flour your rolling pin a little bit. You wanna gently roll out your dough. And yes, this method can smash your blueberries. It's okay. Repeat. Fold it all back in together again. Okay, I'm just going to butter the bottom of my baking dish here. This is a 9x13 baking dish. I was able to get 10 biscuits out of that. So you can get 8 to 10. If you want them a little bit smaller, you can get a dozen. Just depends on how big you want your biscuits, okay? Add our little biscuits to it. You want to make sure your biscuits are touching, okay? All right. Now we're ready to go into the oven. So we'll be back when they're done. Okay, so now that our biscuits are done, I'm gonna go ahead and make the glaze. You're gonna need 1.5 cups to 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're gonna need about a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of vanilla, and about a tablespoon of milk. We'll add more if we need it. You rather start with a little and add to it little by little than have too much, because you don't want it watery. Now see, this is too thick, so we're going to add a little more milk and a little bit more lemon juice. So I added about a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of milk. And that's what you're looking for. Y'all saw them biscuits. Come on. Finna taste them. My taste tester.
Yeah, smelling right. What's up, family? Hope everything going like it need to go for you. Going right for me.
Is that hot?
No, it's not.
Oh, I was about to
It's
say.
just right.
All
All right, let me see about it.
Okay. Okay.
Now it look like you put some extra on that.
So these are blueberry biscuits.
Oh yeah.
And I did like a lemony glaze on them.
Proper, y'all. Mmm.
Let them see the inside.
Oh. Yeah. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. Family, y'all need to make it. It's so good. You can just eat this. Oh.
Have a bite.
You most certainly. Is that too big?
Yes. I'm gonna bite it.
Yeah. Y'all gotta make it. I'll
It tastes like a dessert. I made them taste like a dessert.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. That's it for this video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. And we'll catch y'all on the next video. Love y'all big.
Peace.
Bye.